Tonight, on Mysteries of Nature. Tabletop role-playing games. What were they? And what was life like for these titans of the ancient world? Take, for example, this blazing hymn. This ferocious pack-hunting predator was well adapted to lure in prey by mimicking the calls of its favorite meal, anime. To contrast, the peaceful, heroic chord, known to modern researchers as Rangers of a Broken World, used group tactics and a unique fridge poetry-like spell system to protect its herd from dangers. This unspeakable gate is believed to be a solitary creature, known for building a horrible eldritch doorway in which would-be predators lose their minds. Here at the Peach Garden Games Research Institute, we aim to reconstruct, analyze, and redesign these mysterious and majestic creatures in order to better understand them and maybe our own world. To learn more about tabletop role-playing game science and to view these and other specimens, visit us at peachgardengames.com.